Tesla FSD Beta 10.5 release notes leaked, teases significant improvements. Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel where we regularly discuss new topics on modern world and science and all other happenings. The world is versatile, so we also try to keep our channel versatile so that you can get to know things of varieties of tastes every single day. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the biggest sensations in the market right now, which is drawing attention from many. It is about the release notes leak of Tesla FSD Beta version 10.5. I think I have your attention too, right? So, are you a tech geek or an ardent fan of Elon Musk? Then you must be familiar with the fact that Tesla never stops to amaze the world with their new ideas and inventions. Musk always has something new to offer on the modern world and modern science. This is why many consider him as one of the coolest personas alive in the world of modern tech and science. By the end of November this year, he promised to release a new upgrade of Tesla FSD Beta. And very recently, the company released, or in other words, leaked some information regarding the new release of Tesla FSD Beta 10.5. And guess what? It contains some major fixations and upgrades compared to its former version. Since the leak came on Twitter, the netizens just went gaga over the release of Tesla FSD 10.5. Now, some of you might be thinking, what is FSD? In simple words, FSD basically means full self-driving. It is an autopilot framework that needs to be installed in your car so that it can drive itself to its predetermined destination. Yes, you guessed it right, the whole thing is controlled by a high-tech artificial intelligence system, of course. As I have already mentioned autopilot, your car won't need any manual intervention from you. The Tesla company started working on their autopilot project in March of 2019. In this autopilot package, they promised to offer some advanced features such as self-parking, automated lane-changing capacity, lane centering, semi-autonomous navigation where there is limited access freeways, traffic-aware control and management, ability to call the car from the parking lot or its garage. The project suite is titled Advanced Driver Assistance System or ADAS. For your information, a couple of industrialists and scientists call this autopilot system obsolete, dangerous, and also the peak of success Tesla is trying to achieve in this project is almost unachievable till date. Some experts are also skeptical about its technical abilities and inabilities. Such as, once Elon Musk, the CEO of the company, said that FSD system might contain no map technology in it. But it sets up a doubt that if your car uses a no-map procedure, it would not save anything of what it is doing, which means you might have to reconfigure the whole system every time you would use it. Anyway, things are not final yet. Rather, let's take a look at what the leaked notes are saying. If you are aware of Tesla's FSD Beta version 10.4, you would probably know that it was supposed to be changed into a massive breakthrough. But experts were not really satisfied with the final outcome of it. Some even said that it had become a step backward. What was wrong with Tesla's FSD 10.4 Beta? Mainly, it was the phantom slowdowns which barely had any probable reason. Testers also felt a deficit of smoothness while making turns or changing lanes. The key features installed in the beta version 10.4 was the identification, as well as the smart motion prediction of pedestrians and other cars including bikes and bicycles. The key feature was working on point, but the movement of the car itself was not delicately smooth and reliable. Definitely on the 10.5 beta version update, improvements of these aspects were promised. Tesla's 10.5 beta came up with a big upgrade in the market. It has full self-driving software installed in it, which is a massive visible improvement over the previous 10.4 replacement. But the catch here is that it would not be available in the market for the buyers. It is still in the testing period or beta period, so the primary access is constrained amidst Tesla's own employees, and Tesla is taking greater precautions at this early stage in testing by requiring contributors to achieve a sure degree of safety, as measured through the organization's automatic insurance calculator. But today's version has started rolling out, and it looks as if it will resolve many problems in advance. You might still ask, apart from the FSD facility, what is so special about Tesla FSD Beta 10.5? As the company itself suggests, the 10.5 update is coming up with some major fixations for whatever went wrong with the previous version 10.4 FSD. They are providing not only the full self-driving framework, but also smooth turning and predictive motion-based action. As I said earlier, Tesla employees are beginning to attempt it before other clients. It is pretty evident that if you make any product, you have to convince others that it is trustworthy. How can you prove it? By using your product for yourself. It is probably the best advertisement you can do for your product. Anyway, let's get back to the subject. Tesla FSD Beta 10.5 has the power of navigating an incredibly quiet residential community readily. The good part is that the upgraded version has noticeably overcome its phantom slowdown error, which the previous version 10.4 Beta had. What the leaked notes says. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk himself, stated that the full self-driving beta version was not good enough to launch in the open market. Why did he say so? According to him, the FSD model still contains different stacks for driving on the highway, as well as the streets in crowded cities. If it tries to shift to a single FSD track, it is going to need a high-tech training of a neural networking system. Currently, the Tesla Autopilot team is working on it. Anyway, the Tesla company posted a sudden tweet on 21st November, which leaked some notes regarding the new release of FSD Beta 10.5, which shows some significant improvement listings in it. Let's take a look at what it says. Improved VRU. Pedestrians, bicyclists, motorcycles, crossing velocity error by 20% from improved quality in our auto labeling. Improved static world predictions, road lines, edges, and lane connectivity by up to 13% using a new static world auto-labeler and adding 165K auto-labeled videos. Improved cone and sign detections by up-revving the generalized static object network with 15K more video clips and adjusting oversampling and overweighting strategies, plus 4.5 precision, plus 10.4% recall. Improved cut-in detection network by 5.5% to help reduce false slowdowns. Enabled emergency collision avoidance maneuvering in shadow mode. Enabled behavior to lane change away from merges when safe to do so. Improved merge object detection recall by using multimodal object prediction at intersections. Improved control for merges by increasing smoothness of arrival time constraints and considering possible merging objects beyond the visibility. Improved lane changes by allowing larger deceleration limit in short deadline situations. Improved lateral control for creeping forward to get more visibility. Improved modeling of road boundaries on high curvature roads for finer maneuvers. Improved logic to stay en route and avoid unnecessary detours, rerouting. As you can see, the whole framework and work procedure was designed for the better identification of the roads and turns, lanes and junctions. In order to do this, a number of auto-labeled videos are employed to train the artificial intelligence installed in the FSD system. What difference does it make from the previous version's training? In the 10.4 version, the FSD artificial intelligence was a bit confused in lane markings or traffic detection. But with the 10.5 version of the FSD system, it can even overcome a chance of head-on collision faster and quite smoothly. The ultimate product is going to be terrific, I must say. Isn't it like a dream come true? Like we always have seen in all those science fiction movies like Minority Report or Avengers movie series. The self-driven cars are taking people to places using its own artificial intelligence. But whatever we think of it, the first thought slips across our mind is, would it be safe? The question is evident both for the person sitting in the car and the others who are walking on the road. So it is the safety measures we are talking about. It is the safety measures which is the biggest challenge. The ADAS team of Tesla is currently working on them, and the Tesla FSD 10.5 Beta, which is yet to release, the team is having their fingers crossed about its final result. Anyway, it is time to take a break for the day. Hope you liked the video, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel to keep track of our updates. Do not forget to like and share. I will get back to you with another great news in another video. Till then, goodbye.